the strong rains from last night and early this morning, people are starting to gather again to work removing debris and trying to see if they can find victims or bodies. Local residents have informed us that there were many people inside this house. They think that probably there are still some trapped. Yesterday, there was a rescue team that came to the area, but they did not have enough material, so they said they were coming back today. They're still waiting for them because due to the tropical storm, they don't know when they will be back.
We need food for the people, and we need tent, we need top, we need houses, and people are suffering. Call the world to come to help people. A lot of people enduring. We need surgeons, medicine. We need people